Imagine turning a single dollar into thousands. Sounds like a dream. It's the reality with these 5 altcoins, all currently priced under $1. Every crypto investor knows the struggles, finding the gem in the rough before it explodes in value. With the market flooded with thousands of cryptocurrency, knowing which one to invest in can feel like searching for a needle in the haystack. But what if I told you there's a way to pinpoint those hidden gems? By focusing on altcoins under $1, you tap into potential for massive growth. These are the cryptocurrencies that are often overlooked, but have the potential for significant returns as they gain adoption and recognition. So let's take a look at these 5 altcoins that could skyrocket your portfolio. As more investors catch on, the prices will rise. Don't miss out on the next big crypto success story. And stick with me till the end because I'm going to show you how you can get access to our crypto community that's going over this information 24/7. So if you're feeling bullish about this current bull run, let me know by commenting 777 down below. And if you're going to be the first millionaire in your family tree, confirm that by smashing the subscribe button. First up, we have Stellar XLM. Now, this one obviously is pretty mainstream by now because it has blown up as of recently, which is exciting. If you've been around crypto for a while, you already know Stellar, but we're going to go ahead and take a look. If you were new here, what would you want to know about Stellar to make an educated decision? And by the way, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this information is financial advice. Do not buy or sell any of the tokens we talk about on this channel. Especially in this video, don't buy these 5 that we're going to go over. This is just for education and entertainment only. So some quick unique features about Stellar. They use the Stellar Consensus Protocol. Stellars use the SCP, which is designed to speed up security and allowing for transactions to be processed in about 5 seconds with very, very low fees. It's also great for multi-currency transactions. Stellar enables seamless transactions between different currencies, both digital and fiat, facilitating quick conversions and transfers across borders. So Stellar obviously is very close and linked to XRP for a lot of you guys that are knowing XRP. So XLM, Jed McCaleb, who also created XRP, did create XLM. XLM has decentralization and accessibility. Unlike some other blockchain networks, Stellar is designed for broad accessibility, aiming to serve the unbanked and underbanked populations by reducing barriers to financial services. And if we take a look at this monthly chart, as we can see, just the beginning of this month, back in early November, price was 10 cents, currently all the way up 49 cents, nearly 50 cents, a 5x already on XLM, but there is massive amounts of potential extreme blast to the upside. We'll take a look at the actual charts here in a couple of minutes. Jumping over here to X to take a look at what's going on with XLM. Tons of action and attention aimed at XLM. Several different predictions down in the comments section here. We got a $7 range from All In Crypto. We got a $60 range from Franklin Templeton. They're moving 1.7 trillion over to Stellar blockchain. Take a look over here. Stellar on TradingView. Take a look at the charts. We've talked about this coin several times on the channel already. It's got lots of potential. We can see that it did run up into a historical key level for XLM coming in from May of 2021. Taking a look here at the monthly chart, we obviously had that blast off in every crypto last month, which was exciting. But it did get up into this very key level here, which is on a smaller time frame of the daily. It did reject off there, came down. It has not fully broke down. This is on the monthly chart. Let's go ahead and look at the daily. So price runs up into our key area, comes back down, still maintaining above the 10 exponential moving average, looking very bullish on that. Currently, we are in a struggle with keeping that as a support. When we zoom in a little closer, we see that our money flow has continued to rise up. It is flattening out just a little bit here. Let's take a look in our VWAP. Now this was running up nicely, but it's starting to curl off. So this can make its way back across the 0 line here. And if we take a look, last time price was doing this similar action here, started making its move up right here, stayed above the zero line for all of this, came down with a fake out above the zero line, came here with a little dip, and then it ripped to the upside to its most recent high. As we take a look here on the 4-hour chart, money flow was coming in during that big massive pump. Over here on a smaller time frame, little different view, came down into the red where we see right here, and we are starting to move to the upside here. Money flow is coming down, starting to build green to the upside here. You can also see right here when money flow crosses over this line, gives you a better sense of what's happening. When we go ahead and pull the fib from the previous all-time high to the bottom of its most recent low, we can see price did run up and tap right off the 786, and it's having a pullback from there. Pricing and momentum looks bullish, should see some continuation here. And let's take a look at where price could be going for XLM. So first off, back to its previous all-time high at 78 cents. The next run up would be $1.20. That's one full fib extension. The second full extension is 197. And then the full on extension all the way out to the end, $3.15. Let's see what that would be for us here. 597%. For such a large cap coin, is this going to happen this bull run? Maybe. I can't tell you for sure, but there's opportunity for it to do so with all the partnerships and regulation going on. But not bad with a 6x to start off with XLM. Altcoin number 2, we got Floki, also known as Floki Inu, was initially inspired by Elon Musk's Shiba Inu dog named Floki. The project's mission is to transcend the status of a typical meme coin by providing real utility and fostering a community-led cryptocurrency. Floki is a DAO. If you haven't heard of a DAO before, that's a decentralized autonomous organization where key decisions are made by token holders voting with their share of Floki that they hold, giving the community significant control over the project's direction. Another really great thing about Floki is it's on 2 different chains. It's actually on the Ethereum chain, and it's also on the Binance Smart Chain. Because you know how people are when they come to what types of coin chains they like to use, whether they're a fan of XRP Ledger or they're a fan of Solana or Sui or anything like that. So they were smart. They opened it up to both blockchains, both Binance Smart Chain and also Ethereum. And the interesting thing is here, they're a token that came along with some utility along with just the hype. Floki has actually developed various utility projects aiming to create a comprehensive ecosystem that includes gaming, DeFi, and educational platform. Floki also does charitable initiatives. A notable aspect of Floki Inu is its commitment to charity, with plans to fund educational projects and support food stability, setting it apart by aiming to contribute positively to society. So if you remember when meme coins were coming out last cycle, the big thing was, oh, it's just a meme. It's just a meme. We need to add utility to it. And Floki took it to the next level. If you remember, a lot of meme coins in the last cycle, they created games or they were in development of games. Floki actually created one. And as you know, gaming is a huge sector as well. So you got the meme appeal, you have the game appeal, you have the DeFi appeal. So Floki is a OG in the meme coin section. So we got a market cap of 2.5 billion, volume 1.15 billion, up 10% in the last 24 hours as well. Looking at Floki on the monthly chart here to get it started off, currently trading at 0.0026 at this exact moment. When we draw the fib from the most recent high, the previous all-time high, to the bottom, the swing low here, running back to previous high, which would be 0.003495, but got super close to 0.0035. People started taking profits back in the day. The next level up, the first fib level, gets us to 0.00506. 0007. Boom, eating a zero, getting it to 001, and then up here is 0011. All right, so let's take a look at where we are now as far as the price goes. And if we go up to fib extension number 1, we got an 84%. Extension number 2, 175. Extension number 3, 270. And the fourth extension, 327% gains there. Next up, we got Yield Guild Games. Now, I've been talking about this one on the channel for a very long time as well. So currently, this one's sitting at $328 million market cap, 87 million in volume. Yield Guild Games is also a DAO, so a decentralized autonomous organization. Their focus, though, is on blockchain gaming and the metaverse. Its mission is to create the largest virtual world economy by optimizing the utility of community-owned NFT assets and sharing profits with the token holders. And being a DAO, the community has governance over all of the decisions that happen within the company as well. Yield Guild Games can literally propose a vote and implement changes, enhancing community engagement and ownership. They do NFT investment and asset management. Unlike many of their competitors, YGG not only focuses on playing games, but also a strategic investment with NFT assets across various games. So this allows them to actually earn direct and indirect income through the rentals and sales and providing a unique revenue model. They also have a global presence with the sub-DAO. They have a global network in different regions, tailoring gaming opportunities and strategies to local communities. And one of the most exciting reasons why I like this token personally, and I do actually hold Yield Guild Games, but as you've seen as you've heard through X and through the grapevine, a lot of these OG coins are starting to hit their previous all-time highs. After breaking their initial most recent high, they go on to run up. For example, XRP is about to get there, right? Ethereum's about to get there. Sui just broke it. So when I take a look at this on the monthly chart and I draw a Fibonacci from the recent and all-time high to the low, even just to get to this level here at $2.78 is a 250% move. Now it's been getting very bullish. This is the monthly chart. It does have a green dot from last month as well. But if we want to take a look at where price would be going, if it just gets back to previous all-time highs, now you got a 1,354%. The only thing that's scary about this one, in my opinion, and again, none of this is financial advice, is are the NFTs going to make a comeback? If NFTs take off, this is an NFT gaming system, an NFT gaming DAO, that's one way. Or how are they going to start making more money in the future? What are they adjusting with their governance? So we still have to do some deep dives on that. But as we know, AI and gaming is going to blow up. So this is one that I saw. It was very exciting just because of the potential, just getting back to previous all-time high. Not to mention, if it does what a lot of coins are doing this cycle, running to that first extension of the fib, you're looking at 2,200%. So I'll be continuing to keep a close eye on Yield Guild Games as well. Next up, we have Bonk, number 51 out of all coins, currently sitting at quad 04678. So when it comes to Bonk, one of the most important meme coins out there in almost everyone's portfolio. Everyone's talking about it on Twitter and X. And they start off actually wanting to give back to the Solana community. So it's distributed a significant portion of its supply through airdrops to Solana contributors, aiming to decentralize ownership and empower the people. Bonk is also a DAO, and they call their DAO the Bonk DAO, of course, for governance, which allows community involvement in decision-making processes. This is a strategy to prevent centralization within the coin. Some of the top headlines out there for Bonk right now: Bonk surges past Dog with Hat, Solana's top meme coin. Meme coin surged to new heights as Bonk, Mog, Brett set record prices. So as we take a look at the Bonk chart here, obviously a way newer coin. This is on the weekly chart for those of you watching that don't know about Bonk. So the previous weekly all-time high was currently at quad 048, and we just broke it a couple of weeks ago. Had a little pullback. Now we're starting to gain some momentum to the upside. We look at the daily here. As you guys know, we talk about this a lot. The white 10 exponential moving average is on top of the yellow 30 and the red 50. So we do have bullish posture in the market. And right now we just broke back above the 10 exponential moving average. So what would be ideal is a candle with a lot of velocity, such as this one, which we had here, but a second one would be amazing. That's going to then turn our 10 exponential moving average up steeper. When we take a look here on CoinMarketCap, we can see bonk here at 51, $3 billion up to 67. Not to say it's going to take out Dogecoin, but you know what I mean. There's opportunity there. But reality, these are where it could be playing. Could it potentially catch up to Shiba Inu at 18? So these 4 coins that I've covered so far in the higher market cap. But now we're going to find a low cap gem. Their ticker is Size. This is their X account. They have 2,468 members. They're 12 months old now, but they have an incredible X account. They're nonstop posting, driving eyeballs to the project. They also do major partnerships, driving eyeballs to the project. At sizecoin.xyz is their website here. You can buy on Jupiter, Dex Screener, CoinGecko, official Telegram, official X account. They've got their contract address. Hodl like a legend, but don't forget to take initial profits. They have a little game you can play on the website as well. So anyway, size matters. Good with the memes. It's got the Pepe style frog. A couple things we take a look at here. Since it is a micro cap, we want to see what's going on. Now, this one has been out for a year. Finally got some serious attention. Started kicking off in November. It's been pushing up since. This is the daily chart here. It has been getting up into this area here at about the 9-10 million market cap so far. People start taking profits at that level once we can bust through there. I did get myself a bag of this one. We've also got a partnership with these guys. We're going to be running some marketing for them. But right now it's holding up on this trend line. Got the RSI staying above the 50, so bullish on that there. It's the daily chart. Let's take a look at the... Oh, look at that. All right, so completely oversold on the RSI. Now it has room to push to the upside, so we'll continue to follow that there. But positive things when doing research, what we found, we got the locked liquidity, which is a great thing. Market cap currently sitting at 4.7, so it hasn't even hit huge numbers yet. This thing is just getting ready to go. Now, when it comes to buying coins like this, you're going to need a phantom wallet because it is on the Solana blockchain. So if you're used to buying your coins on a major exchange, that's totally fine, like Coinbase and Crypto.com and Binance. This one you're not going to find on there. There's going to be in a decentralized exchange for you. But this is one I'm going to continue to follow. I do hold some of this coin as well, so I'm excited to see what can happen to it. From where we're at now to when it had its crazy wick during that last run up there, 521% from there. But again, this is extremely low market cap right now, only 4 million. So it could continue to rise above that level as well. That would be getting itself back to a $27 million market cap for a 5x there. When you're comparing that to for example, Bonk has 3 billion, you can see the growth potential and opportunity in these meme coins. And again, this one may not be the right one. Maybe this one goes to zero. Again, this is not financial advice. Do not buy or sell anything we talk about on this channel. But what I will tell you is if you are looking for some education to help you in your crypto journey, come on over and check out Altcoin Pro University. Link is down in the description, www.bullrunners.com. It's that easy, www.bullrunners.com. We're already at 797 members, and it's been less than a month. We're very excited. Price is going to be going up. We had that initial offering of price of $97 a month. We're going to $197 a month. That starts January 1st, or you can also get a 2-month free bonus when you buy the yearly package. Right now, $970. The yearly will also be doubling. If you get started today, immediately you get to be in our class tomorrow. We all have a call, which is going to be very exciting. You can get in there, ask your questions. If you're new to crypto, by the way, I highly recommend, and it might not be our community. This may not be the community for you, totally fine. But if you're new to crypto, there's a ton of new subscribers here. Thank you so much. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. You guys are awesome. But I'll tell you what, if I would have had somebody to guide me through what was going on in crypto, teach me the baseline foundation of crypto when I was brand new into it in 2015, I would be so much further ahead than I am today. So I highly recommend getting in here. Check it out. All you got to do is go to bullrunners.com, click on this video right here, watch it. It explains it's a 26 minutes video, so it's very thorough. It's Nick Anderson going over the full details. But yes, we're about to get to that 1,000 mark. It's going to be super exciting. We'd love to have you on this journey with us. This is good for the bull market and the bear market. We have so many researchers doing hard work to find projects. I mean, everything's pumping right now. You throw some money in the coin and it's going up, right? So, but not financial advice. But yes, everything goes up, only up right now. However, in different scenarios and different structures of the bull run to bear market, etc., we are there to hold your hand through that as well. So take a look at this.
Hey, bull runners, check this out. If you want to learn how to find the next 10x, 50x, or even 100x altcoin in this video, listen to this. Our research team posted GOAT on the 13th of October of 2024 when it was right at a penny, and since then it rallied to over $1 and it's currently still up over 5,000%. That's like turning $1,000 into over $50,000. Our team called Pendle at only a $16 million market cap, or 16 cents, back on February 18th of 2023, all the way back here, and since then it's rallied up over 4,000%. That's a 40x. It's like turning $1,000 into over $40,000. Our team also called BitTensor Tau September 15th, 2022, before the token was ever even launched. And since then, Tau has rallied over 2,000%. That's a 20x. Our team even said Solana is most likely to be one of the easiest trades next year, and this was posted December 29th, 2022, on the day that Solana bottomed out at around $8. And since then, Solana looks like it's up over 2,500%. That's a 25x. It's like turning $1,000 into over $25,000. And the bull run is just getting started. The list goes on and on and on. Our team called Sui, Ondo, and even some of the biggest cult-based meme coins like MOG back in July 20th of 2023, the day that MOG launched. So if you want to learn how our team is finding these altcoins before they explode, we just launched Altcoin Pro University, where our research team gives you real-time altcoin picks with explosive potential for this bull run, along with 100+ expert curated classes crafted by industry experts to discover these gems yourself, on top of our live weekly calls every single week for in-depth crypto market analysis and daily updates. And that's just a fraction of what we offer inside of Altcoin Pro University through the link below. And although we make no guarantees because crypto is definitely risky, guys, this is only $97 a month or $970 a year. If you want to save $194, getting 2 months for free and unlock some exclusive bonuses through the link below. But I'm not going to talk all about that in this video because we have a lot to cover. Just go through the link in the description below, get in right now, watch the 26-minute video covering everything that Altcoin Pro University offers, because we have a lot to cover with you over the next few minutes in this video to help you become the first millionaire in your family tree. If that's a goal of yours, our goal is to help 1,000 members set their portfolio up for life this month. And you can get started through the link in the description below right now, or you can go to bullrunners.com to take advantage of the bonuses we're giving you before they expire. We have about 200 members right now, and we literally just launched like less than 5 days ago at the time of making this video. Everyone is loving the community. They're loving the education. They're getting access to real-time altcoin picks first before we ever make videos about them. So click the link in the description below, watch the video, and I'll see you on the inside.